guys, so I tried this look at a puja function in my house, and this look is very simple to create. So directly move on to the video. First I will moisturize my skin very well and spray the moisturizer all over my face to give it a smooth base. Before trying any look or any makeup, you should moisturize your skin. Then I will apply lip balm on my lips to hydrate my lips. Moisturizer and lip balm should be added to your pre-makeup routine. I will prime my skin and applying a little bit of primer on my cheeks, and then I will apply primer to my eyelids to smoothen fine lines. And if you have any wrinkles problem and fine lines and pores problem, primer is very important to you. When you apply primer to your skin, you will feel that it smoothens your skin and makes your skin super softer. Then I will conceal my skin. Then I will apply concealer to my eyelid to hide dark patches or any dark circles, as I have not so much dark circles, but it will even your skin and match your eye color to your skin original skin color. This concealer is a warm under touch, so this is perfect for my skin tone, and I will blend it with help of my finger, and that will gives you a flawless base. And when you apply any eyeshadow or any makeup look, it will just all colors are popping very nicely. To even your skin, concealer will do the perfect job. Now I will set my concealer with help of powder and cover my concealer with a compact. Eyeshadow should be applied on a matte base. Now I'm using a red color eyeshadow and a round brush. I'm applying it to my crease area and blending it nicely. You can see that how I hold my brush. Holding a brush is a very important technique. As you can see, I'm blending my eyeshadow in a outer motion. You have to do the same. Now you can see the difference between first eye and second eye to give it a lifted and formed shape. So you have to do the same thing to the another eye, and I'm doing the same step. Now I'm applying little bit of eyeshadow to my eyeball to just fill my eye with red color. So next step is concealer. So I'm applying concealer to my inner corner of my eyes, just a little bit of concealer. Then I will blend it with help of my finger. It will give you a ombre look. Using this technique is very simple and it will give you a complete change to your regular eye makeup, and very easy to create, and anyone and everyone can create it so easily. If you want to give a small changes to your eye look, but it easy to learn, so try this will help you. So I'm mixing two golden shade together. First golden shade is very shining, and second golden shade is simply. So mixing two golden shade together gives you a completely changing look. If you want to learn simple techniques, so try this look. Apply a darker shade to your crease line, any darker shade to your crease line, then apply concealer and apply a golden or shimmery shade. It will completely change your look. So I'm picking a red shade again and blending it together to mix both color together, because blending is very important. So now I'm applying eyebrow gel to my eyebrows and shaping my eyebrow. First I'm shape my eyebrow, then just fill it inside. Little bit of shaping your eyebrows, that's done a complete enough job for your eyebrows. And first to shape your eyebrows, then just fill inside, and that's it. You don't have to do so much things. Most important, if you are seeing this tutorial, you will know the best and short tricks, so many short tricks at one place. Now I'm curling my lashes. Just press it and hold it for 10 seconds. Will curl your lashes. I'm just applying a gel liner, or you can apply any liner, which one you have. Just blending a gel liner to my upper lash line. You can see that two shades gives you so much effects on your eyes and so much shine to your eyes. You can see my eyes is so popping. Now I'm highlighting my inner corners. Then I will blending some eyeshadow brown shade to my lower lash line and smudging it to giving it a shadowy look. So now I'm applying the second layer of eyeliner to my lash line. When you apply eyeliner, so remember one thing. First, you remember one thing, to fill your lash line very well. If you will not fill your lash line, and it will not look good. As you can see, applying two liner together gives you so intense black shade. So I'm repeating the same process to my second line. First I am drawing a wing, then I will just line my liner to inner corner of my eyes, then shape it and fill it. That's done. Now I'm applying kajal to my upper waterline to fill my lash line nicely, and repeating the same process to another eyes, and then I will apply kajal to my lower waterline, not on waterline, it's on lash line. I'm applying kajal starting with the outer corner, then just apply it to inner corner and half of my eyes. That's it. Now I'm applying mascara to my lashes to giving it a volume. It's a hyper curl lashes mascara, so it will curl my lashes, gives you a false lashes look. I like to apply mascara 1-2 layer. Now I'm applying a concealer to side of my eyebrows just to define my eyebrows, and then I will blend it with help of a brush. Applying concealer to side of eyebrows, that stick will gives you a shaped and very highlighting eyebrows. So use this trick to highlight your brows. And if you are trying a heavy makeup, so this look is also very beneficial for you. So do use that technique to do your makeup, and yeah, that's ready. So now I'm trying lipstick hack, that is a trendy blush challenge. I'm just applying to my cheeks, then I will apply a little bit of lipstick to my chin. If you are using this hack, to remember one thing, if you are applying a liquid lipstick as a blush, so blend it very quickly, like me, okay? So now I'm applying foundation all over my face. First dot your foundation all over this, then I will blend it with help of my hand. I blend my foundation with hands because your hand is warm. Warm effect blend your foundation very nicely and moisturize your skin very well. So foundation will blend very nicely and very smoothly. So using this hack, you will blend your foundation very nicely and spread all your foundation. Try this look on any puja and any occasion. This is perfect for any puja function. And dry skin, just remember one thing, you have to use a heavy base moisturizer. After this, you should dab wet sponge on all over your face to extract excess product that's not absorbs in your skin. This trick will help you that no one make fun that, oh no, your makeup is coming out. So using this trick will your makeup and foundation will not come out. After this, I will little contour my face Actually nose, I will contour my nose, apply contour cream to my side of nose and contour my nose. It will gives you a thin nose illusions. So contouring is can be your favorite part of your makeup. So I simply just line my natural nose shape and blend cream. That's it. Now after that I will apply concealer to my high point of nose and forehead area and blending it with my little finger and applying 2-3 layer of mascara gives you so dark lashes look. So now I'm baking my nose and under my eyes, not so much, just applying powder to my side of cheeks and side of nose and under my eyes. Baking can be help you to not to grease your makeup, and you can bake your face using any random face powder like Pond's powder, Johnson's powder, also banana powder, but that will comes like many brands. And just brushing the excess product if left. Using a compact powder, I'm just tapping on my face to get a matte finish and not a oily and sticky finish too. I have a combined skin, so if you are like me, apply powder just on your T-zone area, and if you have oily skin, so apply compact powder or face powder all over your face. So now I'm using a blush, lighter blush shade, so applying just it to my apple of my cheeks, and blushing will give you a fresh look and pinky look that will you loves, and every girl loves that. So applying blush is the favorite part of every girl's. So after that I will apply lipstick, just removing the excess lip balm, and after that I will apply little foundation on my lips. You can apply foundation that time when you are applying foundation on your skin, but I'm applying it now because I don't want to remove my lip balm on. So now I'm applying lipstick. So red color lipstick, I'm just outline my lips, not overlines, because I don't think so I have a thin lips, and if you have thin lips so you can also overline your lips. After that I will applying a lighter shade to my middle of my lips, that will gives you a plump lips effect and ombre look. As you can see, I did ombre nail paint, and I also did ombre eye look. I also did ombre lips. And if you find this video helpful, so hit that like button, do subscribe and press that bell icon that you will never miss out my any video, and share with your friends that they will also know that how to do this simple and easy makeup look, and with your families also. So that's it. I will see you next time, and that's all for today.